6. Ice Cream Man. Learning objectives. 1. Ice Cream Man brings joy and relief during the scorching heat of the summer days. 2. Having fun eating ice cream in summer. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink. From bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. A poem by Rachel Field. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. In which season is ice cream popular? Answer. Ice cream is enjoyed throughout the year, but it is most popular during the summer. 2. Who feels joyful about seeing the ice cream man? Answer. The children feel joyful when they see the ice cream man. 3. Name the different flavors of ice cream that the ice cream man has in his cart. Answer. The ice cream man has chocolate, strawberry and vanilla flavored ice cream in his cart. 4. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? Answer. Ice cream and drinks, that is the chilled frosty fizz bottles, are the two things the ice cream man sells. Find their meanings. 1. Trundling. Move or cause to move slowly. 2. Cart. Four-wheel vehicle used to carry things. 3. Frost fizz. Ice cold fizzy drink. Thick. Broad. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. 2. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster around, as thick as honey bees. Take the right options. 1. What happens in the summer? A. It starts to rain. B. People feel cold. C. Walls of the building get blazed. Answer. Walls of the building get blazed. 2. Who comes with an umbrella in the summer? A. Cobbler. B. Ice cream man. C. No one. Answer. Ice cream man. 3. He brings ice cream and A. Hot dog. B. Chips. C. Fizz bottles. Answer. C. Fizz bottles. Match the following. Column A. Blaze. B. Mounds. C. Cluster. D. Trundling. E. Frosty fizz. Column B. 1. Heap, pile. 2. Bright flame or fire. 3. Gather around. 4. Chill drink making a hissing sound. 5. Moving on small broad wheels. Answer. Blaze, bright flame or fire. Mounds, heap, pile. C. Cluster, gather around, trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Frosty fizz, chill drink making a hissing sound. Let's enjoy the poem. Read the story below of a young Rohan and color the boxes with the colors of the flavors mentioned in the box. Rohan enjoyed visiting his grandparents' house. His father used to buy different flavors of ice cream while traveling to his grandparents' house. He used to cherish the different flavors of ice cream he bought throughout the journey. Chocolate, vanilla, orange, blackcurrant, strawberry, raspberry, butterscotch, pista. Choose either the cone or the sundae dish to make your favorite dessert. Cut out the one you choose and paste it to the attached sheet. Then cut out your desired flavors and toppings to build your dessert. Draw and color your dream ice cream. Describe it using interesting describing words. Have you ever eaten kulfi? Ice cream from both North India? The following sentences describe how it is served, but they are not in the correct order. Arrange them in the correct sequence. He scoops out the kulfi on a plate. Then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serves it. The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mold out of the pitcher. He arranges some faluda around it. Listening and speaking skills. Teacher will divide the class into 2 groups. She will recite this poem. Listen to her carefully. Students from each group will raise questions and give answers simultaneously. The group with more points will win the game. Reading skills. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. Kunor worked in an ice cream shop. He was an excellent worker. On a summer day, he was very busy. It seemed that everyone loved ice cream then. Each morning, Kunor checked his supplies. Most people ordered cones. The flavors they chose would vary though. Kunor was careful to have plenty of each flavor on hand. A. In this paragraph, the word vary must mean A. Plenty, B. Differ, C. Taste. B. Write fact or opinion next to A. Most popular ordered cone. B. He was an excellent worker.